This is definitely one of the coolest things I've ever received because of TikTok. This company reached out to me. They sent me an entire embroidery machine. Like, what? Are you freaking kidding me? I'm like super excited about this. And while I do know my way around a sewing machine, I am not familiar with machine embroidery like at all. What I really like about this machine is it comes with everything you need. Like literally the machine's already threaded. It is ready to go. There's 2 different frame sizes you can use. It's got this really big 7-inch touchscreen and it comes with like, I think 96 patterns preloaded, ready to go, a bunch of different fonts, like so much to play around with, and you can just start using it immediately. Now, I did jump the gun a little bit and was a little bit overconfident in my ability to just kind of like press play and go, and I did end up breaking a needle right off the bat, but that was user error. It was my fault. Because there are 2 different frame sizes, I started with a smaller frame because I was just like messing around with a test piece of fabric and didn't realize that you do actually need to set the frame size so that the machine knows like what's going on. It makes sense now. But the good news is they also send you 3 replacement needles, all the tools that you need to replace the needle. I will say I had a really hard time loosening the screw here, so I did have to call my husband in to help me out there, but I did it, you know, we worked it out. I replaced the needle, easy peasy, figured out how to set the frame size on there, was able to center the design, and then did it. It worked awesome. The machine is surprisingly quiet, like quieter than my sewing machine. If you're like me and maybe need a little bit of extra help learning how to use the machine, the brand actually offers one-to-one like teaching. So I'm sure I'll be taking them up on that offer. But I am really excited to start making some projects with this thing. And again, it really comes ready to use out of the box. They even include so many sheets of this stabilizer and you just tear it away at the end. And yeah, here's a very non-aesthetic but realistic shot of everything that the machine comes with. I will get this all organized at some point. Got different colors and bobbins and everything to use.